How to change crosshair in CS2. So first, just go to your settings right here on the top left. Then go to game, and you will see the crosshair option right here. So if you click on that, you will see a preview of your crosshair. You can share your crosshair or import a crosshair code right here. So you can find codes on, like, you can search for it, or you could ask your friend's code that you want to use or copy, so you could share or import it right here. And here's the crosshair style, so you could change it to classic static, or to the legacy option. And for the friendly fire reticle, you could set this to always on or off. And for the follow recoil, so when you shoot your gun, there's an option if you want the recoil or the crosshair to follow the recoil, or if you don't want the crosshair to follow the recoil. So you could set this to on, so you know how the recoil of the gun works, so you could work on it and stuff. And you could also add a center dot right here. So click on yes to add the center dot, and just set it to no to disable it. So you could adjust the length right here, also the thickness, the gap of the crosshair, just like that, and the outline also, the outline thickness, and also the color. So we just simply need to mess out with the RGB colors right here to change the colors of your crosshair, just like that. You could also adjust the alpha, the T style, the deployed weapon gap. So crosshair gap will update dynamically based on which weapon is currently equipped. Then the last three options is the use crosshair color for scope dot, show player crosshair, so you will see other players' crosshair while spectating. You can turn this off to just set it to your crosshair, so you won't see any other crosshair. And show my crosshair when spectating bots, you can set that to never, when I can take over bot or always. So that is basically it.